Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. So that's your tile clip underneath the roof, just sitting there holding down that tile, right? And this one here is the same, right? Just sitting there, and it just clips up over the tile. So there's no way that that can cause a leak, because otherwise they wouldn't have put them in the first place. And there's nothing for it to wear out. It's just a nail and a bit of tin plate. And if you come over here, like there's a couple that have been moved so then they can get a wire through them or things like that. But you've got a tile clip there, you've got another tile clip there, you've got another tile clip there, one there, one there, one there and one there, one down there, another one 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 there. So it's not like your roof doesn't have tile clips. It's got lots of tile clips, and they're all holding the roof down, doing their job the way that they've been doing it for the last, 40 years. So occasionally there's one that's been bent out of the way if somebody moves a tile up or something, and that. But I'd say that your tile clips are fine.